I'm Geoff Buys Cars, and I just bought this Volvo V70 2.5 20 valve automatic, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Right, so I'm telling you now, it does look better in the pictures, but one of the key things about the V70 is the colour-coded bumper strips and side strips. Made the car look a lot more grown up than the 850 that went before it. So this one's done. This is actually the highest mileage car, I think, that I've had on Geoff Buys Cars. This is 269,000 miles, and that's pretty cool. I like the fact that it's a super high mileage car, but it looks the part, doesn't it? It's garnet red, which is a rather lovely colour with the T5 wheels on it. It is a good looking car. So I've only had the outside cleaned. I've not done the inside yet, but I'll show you the inside because it's a beige interior on this one. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. A couple of coffees from my day. I've had a bit of day of driving around, and it's a 7-seater as well. It's got a 7-seat conversion in the back. Yeah, overall, a pretty cool car, to be fair. Drives really nicely. It's got a cheeky twin exit exhaust on it, which is a bit of fun, which I'll show you. Now, I have done a full video review of this car and of the 850 as well, which I'll post up. But I just wanted to show you the outside of this car. Twin pipes, cheeky. There's definitely something about a cheeky 5-cylinder Volvo, isn't there? There really is. That does sound good. Let's just do that again from here. Very good. So there we go. That is my Volvo V70. The successor to the 850. Right, let's crack on. YouTube's most boring car channel.